Doing a 30-second eye lifting face yoga move and ending your eyeliner before your lash line dips. If this, or this can lift your whole face within seconds, why fall for Botox, fillers, or makeup trends that were never designed for your face? The minute your eyes start drooping, everything starts to feel off. And let's face it, most solutions out there either are too invasive, too trendy, or too complicated, time-consuming makeup techniques. I'm going to show you 3 fixes that you can try today that don't involve injections, fillers, filters, or 10 layers of makeup, and can take about a minute or lesser to achieve that natural eye lift. Simple, smart, and natural. Join me. Spoolie up. Brushing your eyebrows upward instantly changes your eye area. Watch this. You see that it gives structure, lift, and attention without adding anything extra. Not even color yet. You saw that lift? Now stay with me till the end if you want to see the complete transformation. And all the products that I recommend in this video will be in the description below. And here comes your step number 2. Here are 2 quick face yoga moves that will wake up your eye muscles. So apply a little eye cream on the outer eye corners. Place your fingers on your cheekbones. Now gently open up the droopy outer eye corner. Lift it up. Open up all those crow's feet, all those tiny wrinkles, those folds that droop, everything up. Give me about 20 strokes. Go slow and steady. Don't be in a rush to complete this. Super slow. By the time you're done with 20 of these moves, now you're going to press your brow bone like this under your palm. Now, while you have isolated your brow up here, blink, blink. Use that resistance to train those eye muscles. Blink. Simple, right? But watch the transformation in your eyes after you're done. Regularly doing these face massages and face exercises will naturally help to open up this eye area and won't let your eyes droop and your eyelids sag down. You'll notice even if you have any crepiness on your lids, that will start to reduce. So these moves train the muscles that support all around your eye area. You'll notice that your makeup also sits better because now there are lesser creases, everything's opened up. And your eyes stay naturally lifted for longer. You'll notice that the droop at the corner of your eyes will look less obvious and less puffy for some time. But when you do these exercises regularly, your muscles start to train, they strengthen in the corners, and then your outer eye corners will naturally start to stay lifted. Now for the 3rd step, I want you to draw a short wing that ends right before your eye naturally dips or ends. This tiny shift keeps your eyes open, not dragged down. So don't go all the way down. So we are not going to do any overdrawn cat eyes here. So you see my natural lash line ends here, but I'm going to stop right here. And just a tiny little wing. That's it. That's going to give you the lift. A lift so subtle that people will keep guessing that she's done something, something's making her eyes lift, but not that prominent overdrawn cat eye look. That's it. Do you see that subtle shift? So beauty about spoolie is that once you brush your brows, you get to see exactly the sparse areas that you need to cover. I'm just going to take an eyeshadow that is 1 shade lighter than my natural color so that it doesn't look obvious in your face, and go in the direction of my natural hairline. That's it. I've only filled out the empty spots, the sparse areas. That's it, just a little bit here. So nobody can tell where your natural brows meet the color. Now watch the difference. Do you see that subtle lift in my eye, in my brow, that totally lifts my outer eye corner and gives me that facelift? Now, unless I give you a little demo on what could happen if you went down in the direction of your natural lash line, how it can make your already aging eyes look older, you will know that you are doing this to yourself, and you can totally avoid this by making this little shift. So typically when people apply their eyeliner, I see them go down all the way where their lash ends. So you see what happens when you go down all the way up to your last lash line and then create that little lift, hoping to get the cat eye look, you actually land up highlighting that droop in the outer eye corner. That's already starting to give you the hooded eyes, the sag and the heaviness here. So avoid this. Try this instead. And you see the difference? Especially for aging eyes, this is a hack to save and try. It does not need hours of practice or perfection like the trendy cat eye look. It is more natural. If you want people to notice a subtle difference in the lift in your face, then these should be your go-to beauty secrets. Here's the truth. Your face doesn't need full transformation. It needs small, thoughtful shifts that respect your features. It's easy to feel like you need to fix your face when everything that you see online pushes lifted brows, frozen forehead, and sculpted faces that all start to look the same. And if your eyes have started to droop or your features aren't as defined as they used to be, of course you're tempted. It's not vanity. It is a quiet fear that you're fading, that you're not being seen the way you once were. But the answer is not in injecting something into your face or copying what is trending. The answer is learning how to work with what's already there and bringing it forward in a way that feels like you. That's what I teach in my 10 minutes glow up for busy beauty. It is my makeup masterclass. It isn't about following rules. It is about rewriting them so they finally work for your features, your lifestyle, and your self-image. Makeup should feel like self-care. A reset, a reminder that you still matter when you show up in your own skin. The first 50 women get 20% off code GLOWUP20. Link to this masterclass is in my description and also in the pinned comment below this video. If today's video helped you understand how to lift your eyes naturally, then don't stop here. Go ahead and watch all my other videos. I'm �=Parmita Katkar, a face yoga and self-image coach, helping women look and feel confident without chasing trends or injections. If you're ready to go deeper, you'll find the program that I talked about today, along with my other online programs, as well as one-on-one coaching program options, linked in the description below. If this video motivated you to try today's steps, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and share this with someone who's struggling with droopy eyes or makeup overwhelm. And if you have been learning from my videos and want to support this channel, then you can hit that join button and become a supporting member of this channel. It's not just about exclusive content, though yes, you will get that too. It is about showing appreciation for the time, thought, and guidance that I share with you week after week, every week, and support your confidence, your well-being, and your personal growth. You will also get rewarded with bonus tutorials, priority responses, and sneak peeks. But most importantly, you will be helping keep this space alive for women just like you. Don't forget to watch the next video in this playlist. It builds beautifully on what you learned today. And follow me on Instagram and all my other social media platforms for daily inspiration and bite-sized beauty, posture, and self-image tips to keep you going. Until next time, stay radiant and show up as you. Continue to blush with me.